Hey there viewers, welcome back to another episode of VGAPR Garage. Today we're going to be working on the $500 Saab 9.3. So in this video we're going to do some upgrades and some maintenance stuff that needs to be taken care of. One of them is I actually found a cup holder that, it works. I don't actually plan on putting any cups in it, but it's better than this one that I think a piece might have broken off and jammed it. We're still going to take care of it. The other thing is I happen to have found the nav screen. This car obviously doesn't have nav. I don't even think America got nav, but I found it and I want it in the car. So this setup is built in a stack. Say you wanted to remove this, your HVAC controls, you gotta start with your vents. Everything stacks on top of each other. So there are two little clips in here in the vents, and I bet my head's right in the way. And I'm hoping I can see them. Are they right there? Are those the two little clips? I think right there's a clip. Right there. And I think there's a clip right there. You want to be really careful with these. Let me go get a pick. The junkyard is cold this time of year, so I don't want to go back for a new vent. Let's see if I can get this light in a good spot. I probably can't, because we've got one right there. Let's see if we can take the non-marring pry tool and get, I don't think we can. One second. Alright, so there's actually three tabs, I believe. Sorry about my head being in the way. We've got one in this corner, one right here. I think there's going to be one over there. And what you want to do, if I can remember how I even just did it, you want to get, and I'll show you guys once I take it out. I think I'm going to do best with this. You want to get in with your pick in it and pull it down. There goes my light. And then my non-marring pry tool just does not fit in there. So unfortunately I'm taking a very thin flathead, getting in there best I can, propping it back. Now I'm going to take my non-marring pry tool, stick that right there to hold it while we move on to the next one, which is right here. So we go in, grab it with a pick, we've got it pulled. Now we should be able to go down this. So it is the only two clips that go right there. I just got another paddle removal tool to put it behind. And in theory, you should be able to just pop the whole thing out. There we go. Alright. Come on out. There we go. You really do want to be careful with these, because at junkyards they often get broken. Alright, then when you're pulling it out, you want to push up right here to get them up. But if you look, see this one I didn't really have to worry about, but to try to pick out, and if you look it's kind of blocked right there. But you just go down, where's it, I can use this. I just simply went inside. Oh, I really need the pick to show you, and I don't know where my pick went. There it is. So you simply just go inside the vent, hook onto it, Let's go in this hole, hook onto it, and bring it down, and that'll make it so it'll come out. So now we've got this free. There are 2 screws that go in at an angle, and they are a Torx. Unfortunately, I don't know. Okay, maybe I do know. They are a Torx. I think it's a 25. Yeah, T25. Those will get it out, and they sit at the top of the radio. This. We got one. We'll put that right there. And we've got another one. We'll put that. Grab on. There we are. So this car originally came with the cheapo radio, no screen or whatever. I got this one and it worked perfectly. I just plugged it in, didn't have to do anything. No, what is it? Syncing it, none of that. So now they go. There is a piece of plastic in the back that you don't want to grab. So grab towards the front of the radio and lift it up. Oops. There we go. And pull it out. Now, see how there's this little piece here? You might actually grab this and try pulling it, so don't do that. Now, this whole thing will simply come out with this push tab right here. It should. And it will. Ah, there we go. So it is out. So now, I want to test this screen to see if it'll work. So first thing what we're going to do is we're going to turn it the right direction and we're going to plug it in. And now we're going to turn the car on. Radio is off. And it works. It is super. Oops! Blah 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 blah. All right. So there's a few things that are gone. Like it doesn't show navigation. It is super dim. I'm sure that's a setting. And just like the regular one, it fights you. So we have settings. Change disc, change media, and then there's our aux, which is what I really care about. Settings, display settings, color themes, and night mode. I think let's turn the car on. It's not very bright, but neither is the dash right now. I think we've got to... Yeah, it's getting brighter, so that was the problem. The night panel. So I actually was hitting the display. So, there we go. It works. This is exactly what I wanted to see. So, we're going to go ahead and disconnect it again. Okay. And now we need to work on this bad boy because I want to put in the new cup holder that we're never going to use. Pull the emergency brake, push on the brake. We're going to pop that out. Now the stereo, yeah, so the whole bottom's going to come out now. There we go. And we're only worried about this now. So this. Come on. There we go. So now we got it out. So the only thing we're worried about, how far are you guys out? I think you guys can probably see. We've got a clip here for the non-working OnStar and stuff. And then we've got the clip for the cup holder, which that's the only thing we're really worried about. So let's go ahead and take it off. Got some clips here. Pop that one off. and hold it and pop this one off. There we go. So this one I am going to work on. I'm pretty sure this can be fixed. And then we're going to grab the new one right here, and we're going to pop that one right in. Probably needs to be lubed up a bit. Probably should lube it up before, but like I said, we aren't really going to be using this. For me, it's just more of, hey, it's in my Saab and it works. So now, there should be something back there that it fits on. Oh, I gotta break this off. That tab got screwed up when I pulled it out of the junkyard car incorrectly. I was a little excited. In there. Nothing feels right. Sorry about my head being in the way, guys. There's the slot. There's like an actual slot the cup holder goes into. There we go. We are all in beautifully. And it should work. There we go. Now we're going to take the radio, the HVAC system, and put that all in. There we go. And then this bad boy right here, which is never really fit perfectly. I think there's something in the way of it. Oh yeah, that's in the way. There's a cord down in the way, so we're gonna try to get that back in there so it's not in the way. Now it feels like it's in the way in the center. Where are you supposed to go? Get back up in there. There we go. Get in there. There we go. That's a lot better. So now let's go ahead and take our nav, which isn't a nav. Pop that in. And there we go. Let's go ahead and put the car back into park. Shut it off. We're gonna grab our two, and nope, we're wrong on that. We have to put the screws back into the dash bezel. Come on. Oh, there we go. We've got, guys can't see, I'm sorry. Bring up a little bit more, there we go. So we've got this one right here. And then we've got another one. There you are. That goes down in this corner. There we go. Now we take the whole nav. There we are. Now we gotta find the two screws. And my light. We got one there. Grab the other one. It goes right here. There we are. Let's get that wire down below the HVAC. Grab your vent. And the vents literally should just pop right in. There we go. So there we go. So now we have the nav screen in the Saab. Let's go ahead and turn the car on. And to my understanding, something should happen. It's gonna tell me the doors are open, which I know about. Let's see if we, coolant level low, which it's not really. Let's fix that. This all got dim somehow. Let's turn this on. And I want to clear that. I know, car. Let me clear the door and stuff. Alright, let's shut you off, I guess. It really does not like the doors. Let me go deal with the doors right now. Okay. We don't care about coolant. So yeah, nothing pops up. That's interesting. A lot of Saab people said that if you put this screen in, it's going to give you a bunch of check. Engine malfunction. There's no malfunction. Engine's fine. That's interesting. Let's do that again. No, you're fine. You just are at the whatever. Your coolant isn't low. Alright. So now I think we're good. We have all that stuff, which is exactly what I wanted. So if you guys like this video, you don't have a coolant issue. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Let me know why. Put all your questions or comments down there. I'll get back to everybody. If you guys want to see more videos about Saabs, hit that subscription and other cars. I've got a Jeep project coming up. If you guys want to know when those projects or those videos hit, ring that bell. Clean your tools off, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.